Welcome to the only dedicated Zontes channel on YouTube, the home of daily videos, deep dives, and everything you need to know about the entire Zontes lineup. If you're new here, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never miss out on the fresh content dropping every single day. Today we're talking about the bike everyone's been waiting for, the brand new Zontes 703T, and yes, it's officially hitting UK dealers this May, with the rest of Europe following right behind. And here's the part that's already blowing people's minds. The UK price is set at just £6,799. For a triple-cylinder sport tourer loaded with this level of tech, that price is an absolute steal and it's going to shake the market hard. The 703T is built around Zontes' new 699 cubic centimeters triple engine, delivering a smooth, characterful punch with around 95 horsepower, plus an A2-friendly version for newer riders. It's the road-focused evolution of the 703F, swapping the off-road wheels for 17-inch cast rims that give it sharper handling and a more planted feel on tarmac. From the first glance, the bike looks every bit the modern sport tourer. Aggressive lines, a wide adjustable windscreen, full LED lighting, and a crisp TFT display with phone mirroring, tire pressure monitoring, and all the tech you'd expect from a premium machine. On the road, early testers are calling the triple engine smooth, torquey, and surprisingly refined. The Marzocchi adjustable suspension keeps the ride stable and controlled, while the upgraded radial brakes give you serious stopping confidence. And then there's the tech package: cruise control, traction control, ride-by-wire, quick-shifter, heated grips, keyless start, HD front and rear cameras, and the big one, IMU-controlled cornering ABS. These are features you normally see on bikes costing thousands more, and Zontes is dropping them into the midweight class like it's nothing. With a fuel tank around the 20-litre mark, long-distance comfort, and a seat height that suits most riders, the 703T is clearly built for touring, commuting, and weekend riding without breaking the bank. So as the 703T rolls into the UK this May and spreads across Europe shortly after, expect to see a lot more of this machine on the roads, and expect the competition to start sweating. This is Zontes stepping into a new league, and they're doing it with confidence. Stick around, because we've got daily updates, comparisons, tutorials, and plenty more coming as soon as the bike lands. Hit that bell so you don't miss a thing.
I'm coming for the throne.